Welcome back to this lesson where we are going to learn the basic of how we can save this slide. So now we will go to home. Oh, you can see that on the quick access bar we have this save option, right? You can click over here and give your PowerPoint name and save it. This is the easiest one. Also, you can go to your file, click on save when you're saving your very first presentation or very first blank presentation. If you click on save, select your file and just give the file name, our first slide, and then hit save, and it will save your presentation. So through this way you can save it. So now if I create a duplicate slide and make it our third slide and I want to save it, you can click on it and it will save under our first slide, or go to your file, click on save as, go to your PowerPoint, select your file and save it. Let's save it. And now we have updated our slide as well. Also, there are few shortcuts, which is Control S, where you can save your file, right? And for your Mac, you can use Command S for saving your slide. So a small tip for you: when you're done with one of your slide, when you're done with your first slide, use your shortcut Control S, or use this quick access button of save to save your slide. When you're done with your second slide, just save it so that you can be on a safe side to save your presentation slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you have understood how you can save your presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. See you on the next lesson.